Hi, my name is Jesse Hansen. I'm a second-year student here at Lake Superior College, and today I'm going to give you a quick class on fire extinguishers and their proper application. Before we actually start looking at the extinguishers, though, we're going to need to know the different types of fires we're going to be dealing with and how we're going to choose the correct extinguisher to deal with that. The first group we're going to be looking at is the Class A fires, which involve ordinary combustibles like wood, paper, ordinary household rubbish. The second is Class B fires, which involve flammable liquids like gasolines. Then we go on to Class C, which are charged electrical equipment fires. Things like computers or anything like that you have around your home that is plugged into an electrical system and actively receiving electric charge. The next one is going to be Class B, which involve flammable metals like magnesium or things used in industrial and manufacturing plants. And then finally, Class K fires, which involve kitchen fires like oils and greases, that sort of thing that you see in a restaurant or a large industrial kitchen.
In addition to being assigned a letter, each type of fire extinguisher has a designated shape, color, and icon that indicates its use. The type A is assigned the triangle, the color green, and the icon depicts a garbage can surrounded in flame. Type B extinguishers can be identified by a red square, and the icon, as you can see, is a fuel can with a burning liquid next to it. Class C fire extinguishers can be recognized by the letter C, a blue circle, or the icon, which includes an electrical plug and a wall outlet that has caught fire. D extinguishers are assigned the shape of a star and the color yellow. The icon depicts a metal I-beam with flames above it. Because fires involving combustible metals are most often found in manufacturing facilities, these type of extinguishers are not common to most people. In addition, the high reactivity of flammable metals make them especially dangerous, and they require additional training to be used properly. Type K are designed for kitchen fires and can be identified by a single black letter K or the black pentagon shape. The icon is simply a flaming fry pan. These type of extinguishers are most often found in commercial or industrial kitchens, but are slowly growing popularity within industrial homes.
So now that we've talked about the different types of fires we're going to be dealing with and the labeling system for our extinguishers, we're going to actually look at some here and see what it's going to look like. The first one we're going to look at is our stored water, and it's basically just going to be applicable only for Class A fires, or your ordinary household combustibles. As you can see here, it has the Class B fires, which are flammable liquids, crossed out, and the Class C fires, which are charged electrical equipment. And the way this one works is water is actually the best conductor of heat you can find out there. When it turns from water to steam, it's actually going to expand 1,700 times its original size, and that rapidly cools the environment and absorbs all the heat, and it's going to take away that part of the fire triangle that allows the fire to keep burning. The next one we're going to look at is going to be a dry chemical extinguisher, and this one you can see is approved for ordinary combustibles, Class A, Class B, flammable liquids, and Class C, charged electrical equipment. And this is actually going to throw out a fine powdery dust that's going to inhibit the chemical chain reaction within the fire and stop it from burning. One thing you have to worry about with this one when you're spraying on a Class C is the powder actually will wear down on electrical equipment, so it needs to be cleaned up right away or you're going to completely lose your accessories you're running. Here we have another dry chemical one. This one actually has a stored air cylinder on the side that powers the system, and it just pressurizes this and it comes out the hose just like any other extinguisher, just a little different design. And then finally we have the CO2 extinguisher. And this one is going to be approved for Class B and Class C fires. You can easily identify this one because it has the cone. As the CO2 comes out, it's going to be cold and super frosty. Then the cone just protects your hand from that cold air as it comes out. And what that's going to do is it's going to cool the environment, and it's also, the main thing it does is it displaces the oxygen around the fire and makes it unable to burn.